Now for the quick little real estate update, I'm going to show you the back end of where I pulled the data from. Before I'd make all these like cool little fun graphics and everything, I'm in the back end here on my MLS, which is multiple listing service. I've got the city typed in up here is Duvall. Here on the right, I've got it set at 2 years. So we're going to compare January 2025 to January 2024 in this example. Down here, I have all these buttons I can click on, like which data, should I click on to show you, the audience, right now. And here's what I want you to know. I really want to take it to that next level and explain to you why some of these stats matters. Because if you do see a bunch of numbers, that might not mean a lot to you. But if it's like, oh, well, that changed, so this must be happening. Because if you're a buyer or a seller, you probably want to know more than just like reading a bunch of numbers on the screen. So right now, I've got it selected as average price. So you can see 1.136 million was the average sale price this year versus January last year, 2024. That is a 14.8% bump. That is a great thing. What investment are you going to do and get 14.8% return? Now, again, this is not stock advice. This is not financial advice. I'm just saying over the history of time, real estate has been a very sound and very safe investment. Now, if I'm going to click on new listings, there was 21 listings this year versus 24 last year. So pretty consistent. There's a small dip, about a 12% dip, which is about 3 homes. We'll look at closed sales. The closed sales are about the same. There were 16 versus 17. Let's go to days on market. So the average days on market 2024 was 72. This year, 41 days. So it cut down by 43%. That is a significant drop. So we say, well, why are the days on market lower? There could be a number of different reasons. One, maybe everybody last year just priced their home way too high. But you can also look at the amount of new listings or the amount of homes for sale. That could be a little bit of an indicator as well. So since there was less listings, typically it's the old supply and demand. Less listings drives the value or the prices up for the homes. And so that could be a factor as well. Exciting things happening here in Duvall. If you have your finger on the pulse, I love real estate. My wife and I now are really partnered up on this. She has Buck Staging and Design. So if Buddy Buck Real Estate is representing you in your home sale, you get Buck Staging and Design. You get Eve. She's involved in the process now. We're working very, very closely together. She is literally my secret weapon, guys. Like, she's amazing. She has such an eye to make things just look beautiful when somebody's going to walk in, and just the flow and the feel and the vibe, whatever the case might need to get your home to that next level, to that next price point, and still, move relatively quickly depending on what your needs are.